क्रीज यहाँ तक है, क्रीज के बाहर गेंदबाज की गेंद क्रीज से बाहर गई तो अंपायर वाइड. How do you show wide if you want to say talking of something? So how do you show wide as a sign? Wide. So if the umpire shows this sign while on the field, इसका मतलब wide ball, wide field. No ball, once again. No ball
is no.
No. Right? You see there? No ball. That means which no ball. ठीक बॉल नहीं थी. बॉल ठीक नहीं फेंकी गई. No ball, wide ball. No ball, wide ball. Out. अब एक बार करेंगे. ये क्या हुआ? Out. चौका. हिंदी में छक्का. चौका. Out.
So Hindi word for out.
Out. As in out.
Yeah, no Hindi word for out.
No, there's no Hindi word. बर्खास्त.
Not for cricket.
No. There is, but
Not for cricket.
there is. बर्खास्त हो गया. No, we're not getting there. Okay. There is
I think
नहीं ऐसा बता दो ना. आउट का हिंदी है लेकिन क्रिकेट के लिए आउट इज आउट.
out is out.
लेकिन जो महेंद्र रमन वगैरह जो प्रॉपर बोलते थे हिंदी वो बर्खास्त भी बोलते थे.
अच्छा.
हाँ बोलते थे.
तो बताइए.
बर्खास्त. अभी आजकल तो इंग्लिश.
I think
अगर मैं अंपायर हूँ. You know, the opposing teams can't be so happy. Cricket that never happens. You can be so happy. So let's stay away from each other. Okay, I'm the umpire. मैं umpire हूँ.
I think you should mention that the batter is batting until he gets out. Because in baseball, like if someone scores, and once they score, they go out. But you should mention that you're batting until someone gets you out.
Yeah, you continue to bat. जब तक आप आउट नहीं होंगे, जब तक राखी आउट नहीं होंगी.
प्लीज लिसन व्हाट शी इज सेइंग. सुनिए जरा.
जब तक राखी आउट नहीं होंगी वो बल्लेबाजी करती रहेंगी. Which means till the time any of the bowlers from the opposing team makes her out. And there are many ways in which a batsman can be out in a cricket game. So till the time she's out by any of the bowlers, she'll continue to play till the end of the game. Okay?
So if I went to run, he got the ball and touched the wicket.
Now, if you're out of the crease, this is my crease line is here. Okay.
Yeah,
So if you're out of the and if he hits the bail, you're out.
Okay.
ठीक है? जब तक गेंदबाज आउट नहीं होगा, वो गेम के अंत तक खेलता रहेगा. वो गेम के अंत तक he or she will continue to play till the end of the game. Out could be, there are lots of ways. If you want to discuss, we can discuss it later with me or Norris if you want to learn more.